So it's that time again. Election is almost here. It's a season for election, and as usual, both parties, everybody in the party turned Santa Claus because one re-election and one get out who and all of that. Come on, it's full time now to stop take Jamaican people for fool. Better yet, it's full time now we Jamaicans stop allowing them to take us for fools. Come on, you're going around, you're making promises. You're going to do this and you're going to do that. Why couldn't all of this been done when you were in there? Why have to take you a re-election? It's like give something for something. Because if you're not get re-elected, you're not going to do anything. How about working with whomever gets elected to make that dream come true? Or make that plan, execute that plan? Why does it always be about if I? Come on. That's where the problem comes in. We're not thinking about the people. We're thinking about ourselves. And that does no good for the country. This politician recently I've been reading, I promised some people, I think in St. Elizabeth, land. If him get re-elected, him go give land. Mr. Sir, where was that land all along? I'm pretty sure it just appeared there. It not just appeared, it was there for some time. And why does it have to take a re-election for you to give it to people? We don't need to stop it, and then we just as bad because them have a little mass meeting here and one over there and all over the place. We put on whatever color shirt, we green or orange, and we run gone. And we beat up with bell and we blow our horns. What does that do for us? We have to move from this mentality, from the short-term handouts. They do nothing for us. We need something that can sustain us. We need something that can grow. When them are growing with them politics money every 5 years, that can't do nothing for you. That can't even send up in the girls' school for 1 week. That can't even buy half dozen chicken for 1 penny a raise. It can't do nothing. It can't even buy 1 bucket of paint for go splash by your house for the Christmas. What it can't do nothing. We need to start holding them accountable and stop running up and down behind them and stop making them tell us they're going to do this and they're going to do that. Come on, you have 5 years. If you couldn't have done anything in 5 years, what are you going to do in another 5? It's not supposed to take you that long. And then someone on a master plan in the absence, it's not supposed to take on 1 month or 1, 2 to execute a little plan. But it's all about, as me say, it's all about sitting in that spinning chair in garden house or up on Narbrook, wherever on the house there, flying here and there, like say I want to name JetBlue or Delta Airlines, just fly. So it's all about, personal benefits, personal gains, nothing for the country. Young people, they are suffering right now. I'm a young person. And unfortunately, me have to migrate. Why? You think me well want to come a foreign? Me not foreign-minded. Me could always travel back and forth if I had a decent job down there. But I can't get it. Because no infrastructure not there. God bless the few local private sector where you take on 1 or 2 people. And how much people can they take when you have all of the college and you take everybody a graduate, thousands of students a year time. You don't have nothing in place. Nothing in place. You just depend on IMF and their money. And you get it and take it and live on a lavish lifestyle. Full time don't start treat people like people. And people may tell you election time will come up. And there's not much you can do. More analyze them behavior. And at the end of the day, evaluate them. In order to make decisions. It cannot be about, I was born into the orange, so I'm going to be an orange. I was born into green, so I'm going to be a green. No. We have to start thinking mature and making wise decisions. We have to select persons based on performance. Not based on promises. Because them don't tell you our promises are comfort to a fool. And we see the country run from 0 to 100 real quick. So we have to do something about that. If not for us, for our children. We have to make smart decisions. It can't be about the color. We have gone past that because that has done nothing for us over the years. So people, I implore to you, because me I come vote, me I listen, me I keep up with the news. So I implore to you, let's not vote for the green or for the orange, not for JLP, not for PNP. Let's vote for Jamaica and stop kill off on one another. Stop it. Because at the end of the day, them got them bar, them got church, or them go wherever, go link up or them text one another on WhatsApp and go to all I'm with them one another and attack and I laugh and I say, here we're going down to the come on. Families are mourn. You have a dead one, you have one at the prison. That's destruction of families. Think logically. Stop fight with one another. We are all one. We should be one. United we stand. Divided we fall. We cannot fight off one another for political parties on a business with it. Because clearly they don't care. All right, so this is my imploration to you. Bye.